In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your download or game storage location on Steam games. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So the first thing you need to do is to go and open your Steam account, either on Steam official browser or the Steam app. So I'm on the app and mine is here. So once you're here, go ahead and click on Steam. From Steam, go ahead and click on settings, and this will open various settings options. From this, look for this option called storage, and under storage, you'll be able to see where your current games are stored. And you can see my games are currently stored on local drive C. And also here, you'll be able to see the file name under which the game is stored. To change the storage drive or location, go ahead and click on this down arrow here. And for instance, I want to add an external storage device. For that, go ahead and click on add drive. And then this will go ahead and highlight the external drive that is available on my computer. And as you can see, here it is with this space. Go ahead and click on add. And now you can go ahead and move these games that you have to that drive. So you can see I currently have one game, which is this, and I can just go ahead and select it, and then I can now decide to move it to that new external drive. Alternatively, if you want just to change the file location but maintain the drive or the local disk that the game is currently domiciled on, it is also easy. You can just come to this settings option here and then click on it, and then you can also go ahead and browse folder and choose the folder that you wish to use. So that's how you can do it on Steam games. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.